Hello all, this is Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about TCP and IP protocol architecture in computer network and data communication. Let's discuss about TCP and IP protocol architecture. And the TCP and IP protocol architecture was developed by the US Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, that is DARPA, for experimental packet switch network, and it is referred to as a TCP IP protocol. So which the protocol should consist of a large collection of protocols, and that protocols are issued as an IAB, that is Internet Standards by the Internet Activities Board. So generally, the computer communications can be said to involve three categories. So the three categories are applications, computers and network. For example, the applications include like file transfer or and electronic mail, and the applications are concerned with some distributed applications, so which involve the data to exchange between two computers. That computers are connected to network, and the data to be exchanged or transferred by the network from one system to another system. So the TCP is help to the system to communicate or transfer the data between from one system to another system, and it classified into 5 types of layers. So there are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, and transport layer and applications layer. So these are the 5 types of layers come under TCP and IP protocol architectures. So let's discuss one by one. So the first one is physical layer. So physical layer, which is covers the physical interface between the data transmission devices, for example workstations or any computers, and the physical layer to transmit medium or network, and this layer is concerned with some specifying the characteristics of the transmission medium, and they are using some signals and data rates and some related matters. And next one is network layer. So the network layer is also called as a data link layer, and this layer is concerned to access and routing the data across a network for two end systems. They are attached to the same network. So these two devices are attached to different networks, and it produces to allow the data to traverse multiple interconnects network. And this function of the internet layer, that IP, that is internet protocol, which is used at this layer to provide routing functions across multiple networks. So this protocol, which is implemented not only in the end system but it also in routers. And next one is internet layer, and the routers is a processor which connect two networks, and that two networks, those are primary functions, which is to relay data from one network to another, and it's routers from one source to destination and end systems, and which that systems may be attached to the different networks, and the multiple networks that are functioning routers. And next one is transport layer, that is TCP. So TCP is nothing but transport control protocol, so which is the most commonly used protocol which is provide this functionality. And the transport layer is also called as a host to host layer, so which provide reliable end-to-end service. And next one is application layer, so which is contain the logic needed which is support the various users applications, and these applications, they are they may be a different type, such as file transfer, separate module, so which is needed to that particular applications, for example HTTP and SMTP. And next one is assessment. And so the first question is what is physical layer, and second one is explain about network access layers. and these are the reference. Thank you.